Hi, in this video, I'm going to discuss how you can convert your PPT or slides into shareable quizzes. So if you are new on the website, you first of all need to log in as a teacher or student. If you're a teacher, if you want to assign quizzes to different types of students, you just need to be a teacher here. You just need to log in as a teacher. So I already logged in as a teacher, and you can see I just need to click on teacher dashboard and I would be able to create quizzes. But I can show you how teacher dashboard look like. So this is teacher dashboard, how it look like, and this is student dashboard, how it look like. So as I'm a teacher, I can click on this teacher dashboard button here. Okay, and now I have an option to create a quiz. I can click on this button, create a quiz here, and now I can upload my documents here. Okay, so now I will obviously select specific PDF or PPT file, that is slide file. So I will open it, and now I can click on next step, and I can define my quiz configuration. Like I need 10 questions, I need hard complexity, I need 30% pass percentage. So this pass percentage means how much in percentage the student should get marks to be regarded as a pass student or failed student. Okay, if student gets more than 30%, he would be passed, otherwise he would be failed. After that, I can enable test duration, like how much time you want to give to the student to complete this test. If student exceeds this duration, or if he spend more time, the test would be submitted automatically. Okay, so after that I can add points to the question. So if I want 5 points to each question, so that would be total of 50 points per complete quiz. I can skip that because I already know that my AI can easily generate quiz based on my topic that are explained in the PPT file. If you want the quiz in different language, of French or Spanish or other than English, you can also define it here. But right now, I already know that my PPT file is in English, so it can generate from it. I can set a deadline. Okay, and after that I can select randomized question order to avoid students to get cheating. Okay, so each student will get question in different order, so they cannot say like first question answer is B or second question answer is C. So that would be showing here. After that, if you don't want to show the questions answers after students submit, so you can disable it. But right now, of course, I want so students can get learning from their mistakes and their wrong answers, so you can obviously enable it, and that's my suggestion. Just click on review and just analyze the review and click on generate quiz. It would take only few seconds, and you would get complete quiz based on that specific PPT file that I have uploaded on this website. So now I am just waiting for the quiz to be showing here. After that, I can make some tweaks if I need. So I can just review all of the questions answers, and if I need to edit or delete some question, I can click on this button. Or if I need to edit, I can click on this button. I can change the text, like if I want data file, I can type it like this, or if I want different text, I can obviously change that. I can select different option. If that is wrong provided by AI, I can select that. I can add explanation as well, but that is completely optional, because on the student side, if you don't add an explanation, AI would automatically provide explanation to the student. So once you have clicked on, you have saved all of the changes. Now the next step is to publish a quiz, and after that we can create a class, and after that we can assign this test to a class and we can share with our students. So let's move forward with publish quiz, and then we will create a class and assign quiz to a class. So I will click on publish. I need to upload some cover image here because I already have cover image for this quiz. So I would select that. Let's select this one because that is just a random quiz. I can change I can change the category. I can make it public or private. If you want this quiz to be public, and so the students can find your quiz in the public library, like here, you can obviously enable it. I want it obviously, so I can click on publish quiz. It would take only few seconds, and then you will get into it. Okay, so now I'm just waiting for it, and then I will explain you what is the next step. So after that, we just need to create a class. So my test is created, it is published right now. You can see the complete dashboard, you can see the test configuration, you can see public library stats, how much assigned classes are into this quiz. So if you didn't assign any class to this quiz, so it would showing here 0. Okay, here you can see performance and submissions, you can see questions, you can export. Okay, you can see enrolled students, you can also share an QR code. But before I share an QR code, I need to create a class or assign this quiz to a specific class that already exists. Okay, so what I will do here, I will just assign it to a particular class that already exists. Okay, but before that I want to make sure I have some classes, so I can click on my groups here. I have enough classes here, but of course I need separate class for this new weather quiz. Okay, so I will like say it weather class. Okay, so now I have weather class, I have created it, and now it is showing here. So the next step is to assign that quiz to this weather class. Okay, so but before that, if you want to add more students or you want to share this group with your students before assigning any quiz, you can also do that. You can click on add student here, you can type their emails, this platform emails, and you can add students. You can also invite them, you can click on invite, you can share the link with the students on different social media platforms, and they will be automatically enrolled in your group. Okay, but whenever you will assign a new quiz to this class, they will automatically get that new quiz in their dashboards. Okay, so again, let's back to the topic. So we have created a quiz, we have created a class here that is weather, and now we need to assign a quiz to this class. So either we can assign it from here, or we can just go to our test like this, and we can click on this open button like this, and now we can either click on this button, or we can just click on share QR code, and we can assign to a class like weather class, and now it is assigned. We can either copy the link from here, or we can just click on done button like this, and now we have one class here. So we can select on this class, and now we have all links of this specific test, this specific quiz. Now you can just copy the link and you can share with students on their WhatsApp, on their Telegram, and they will be automatically enrolled in your class as well as in your quiz. Okay, so this is how this system works. I will again explain you. The first step, you have to create a quiz. The next step, you have to create a class. The third step, you have to assign the specific quiz to a class. Okay, you can click on assign button and you can assign the quiz to a specific class. You can copy the link and you can share the link with your students. So this is how this system works. Create a quiz, create a class, or just assign the quiz to any particular class that already exists, and just share the quiz link with that specific class or with the students on their WhatsApp or social media platforms like Facebook, etc. So I hope you like this video and you understand how this complete system works and how you can create different types of classes and quizzes and you can share with them. So I hope you like this video. If you like this video, you can share with your students, and you can obviously subscribe to the channel so you can understand more topics in the future. So in the next video, I will be explaining how you can create quizzes with these images, web pages, and audio feature. And I hope you like this. And if you have any feature in mind, you can click on request feature. Whatever you want, you can type it here and you can submit request, so I would get it better and I would work on it. Thank you. Have a good day.